Welcome to Purple Trading, where we offer you cTrader, the incredibly comprehensive platform that has raised the standards in the online trading industry. In our last videos, we looked at indicators and graphics to introduce you to some amazing cTrader features, and in this video, we will move ahead and look at advanced indicators, including more options on charting. In cTrader Desktop, we right-click, and under Periods, we find Renko bars. Renko bars may look similar to normal price action candles, but they are based purely on price movement and not on the passage of time. You will note that the x-axis, time, may be compressed or expanded. This is because Renko bars open and close based on pips. For example, R5 bars are closed after 5 pips of movement, and R50 bars after 50 pips. Many traders prefer this representation of price action as it displays more emphasis on trends and eliminates the noise created by volatility. Using an oscillator or other indicators in conjunction with Renko bars may not provide the results with which you are familiar, but you may alter the parameters to adapt to your particular strategy. Range bars are similar to Renko bars as they only close after a set number of pips, but they also show the high or low, which may help those traders who use candle patterns to make trading decisions. Again, you may alter the parameters of other indicators to compensate for the fact that the time-based calculations may not function perfectly. In any case, a trader should backtest and study these before trading with a live account. For backtesting and experimenting, you may create a new demo account at any time by clicking here. Another method of charting is a candlestick method called Heikin Ashi, which follows time and price just like traditional Japanese candlesticks, but their price action starts in the middle of each candle, and the resulting chart shows trends much more clearly without distracting retracements. Heikin Ashi charts may be opened directly on cTrader Web and on cTrader Desktop may be downloaded. Many traders, both retail and professional, may use any of these 3 chart types to avoid the noise and alleviate problems with trading psychology. An indicator that is popular among many traders is the Ichimoku Cloud, or commonly known as the Ichimoku Cloud, and is used to gauge momentum, trend, and strength of the price action using 5 lines and a cloud. The indicator has crossover points to determine buy and sell signals. Like many indicators and strategies, this method should be studied, backtested, and practiced before risking your capital. Average true range is not necessarily an indicator that will help you to open trades, but it is extremely useful for measuring market volatility, and we always use the daily charts to analyze this. For example, if in the future you find that a successful strategy is no longer providing positive results, you may want to check that symbol's ATR, or average true range. Some symbols will show a high level of pips between extreme ranges like pound-yen. Others will show a low level of pips between extreme ranges like pound-Swiss. You must look at the change in percentage terms and not in the actual pip value. These changes in average true range will affect not only your strategies, but your risk management as well. We looked at Fibonacci retracements in an earlier video, and you may find the Fibonacci fan in the Instruments toolbar as well. Simply connect highs and lows in an existing trend, and the Fibonacci levels can be used to predict key points of support and resistance, at which you might expect price trends to reverse or use as trend lines. As well, we highly recommend you're exploring the myriad indicators in cTrader.com, which can be found under links in cTrader Desktop. You may search for indicators under the usual categories, preview them, and select free or paid indicators, and they may be downloaded and installed on cTrader Desktop and found under Custom. That's all for now. We hope you will enjoy this cTrader Desktop and Web video series and embarking on your new exciting trading journey with Purple Trading. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to be purple.